Hi, my name is Patricia, and in each short video, I break down one business analysis technique at a time in under 5 minutes. Let's get into it. Let's be real. Teams always have tons of ideas, feature requests, and tasks. But without a solid system, priorities slip fast, really fast. Today, we're breaking down how smart backlog management keeps your projects on track, makes prioritization smoother, and helps your team deliver value quickly and consistently. Let's dive in. A backlog brings everything into one place: tasks, ideas, requirements, so the team and stakeholders know exactly what's on the table. It gives everyone clear visibility into what's coming, helping prevent surprises and duplication. And by keeping the spotlight on high-value items, the team puts its energy where it really matters. Plus, it fuels continuous delivery and improvement, because you're constantly refining and reprioritizing what comes next. Backlog management creates transparency for the team and stakeholders, so everyone knows exactly what's being worked on. It makes prioritization easier, whether by value or urgency, helping the team tackle the most impactful work first. It also encourages collaboration and a shared understanding, because backlog items spark discussion, clarification, and alignment. And it supports iterative delivery, allowing progress to be tracked and adjusted as needed without losing focus. A backlog isn't something you pull out halfway through a project. You use it right from the start, capturing ideas early, as a new project or initiative takes shape. You keep it updated during sprint or iteration planning, whenever new requirements or requests come in, and before release planning or stakeholder reviews. That way, the backlog stays current and the team can focus on the right work at the right time. Here's how to apply backlog management. First, capture all ideas, tasks, and requirements so nothing slips through the cracks. Then categorize them by type, feature, or priority to spot patterns and plan sprints more effectively. Then refine each item by clarifying anything unclear, estimating effort, or breaking down large tasks into manageable pieces. Next, prioritize based on value, dependencies, and risk, so the team tackles the work that delivers the biggest impact first. And finally, track progress and update statuses in real time, keeping your backlog aligned with what the team is actually doing. Let's walk through a real example so you can see how this works in an actual backlog. First, we have the task, implement login feature. Priority, high, status, to do. This sits at the top because users can't access the system without it. It hasn't started yet, but everyone agrees it needs to be delivered early, so it's placed right at the top for the next sprint. Next, there's update profile UI. Priority, medium, status, in progress. The team has already begun work, but it's not as critical as the login feature. The UI update improves the experience, but the system can function without it. That's why it's in progress, but not top priority. Then we have add analytics tracking. Priority, low, status, backlog. The team wants analytics eventually, but it doesn't impact current delivery, so it stays in the backlog for later refinement. A great example of keeping low priority items visible without letting them distract the team. By reviewing this mix regularly, high priority to do, medium priority in progress, low priority backlog, the team stays aligned on what matters now, what's in motion, and what can wait. That's the real benefit of a well-managed backlog. Everyone knows what to pick up next and why. Some quick pro tips. Review the backlog at least once per sprint to make sure priorities still hold. Keep items small and actionable so each task can be completed within a single sprint. Involve stakeholders in prioritization to keep expectations aligned, and use templates for consistent capture so new items are clearly documented and easy to manage. Backlog management ensures clarity, alignment, and real value delivery. By keeping work visible, prioritized, and actionable, the team can focus on what truly matters. Up next, we'll move into prioritization, where we take those backlog items and decide what to tackle first.